Sahana Bhavatu, my tribe. So here I am with my next zodiac sign, that is Gemini. So let's see what we have for Gemini in February 2025. Okay, the second month of this new year. Gemini, right now, I think, like I always see the state of mind first. I feel Gemini, you are going through some kind of, probably you're feeling a little depressed, or you're not feeling very good about your life. There is an energy of I am done, I'm enough, I cannot take it anymore. I actually felt that. You don't know where you're heading in life. You're clueless. You're going here, you're going there. There is no proper direction or path. Okay. Work is fine because everything is happening around. I feel there's a lot of energy of uh, family being supportive, family being there in every way. But family is there, but you don't have clarity about your own thing, you know. So let's see what we have in the first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. First week is going to start with a bang. It's going to start with lot of abundance. Anybody who's looking out for having a baby, so it's a very good time the first week. You're going to pamper yourself, you're going to just take care of yourself, probably go into a spa, you go for a holiday, you just do all these things. And I feel some of you, your mother or somebody who's like a mother, elder to you, maybe elder sister, somebody is going to provide you with everything, pamper you, getting all the attention and so on. That's the first week. Now second week you're feeling very disappointed. You've come into a state of mind where you think, what is this? I don't have anything. Everybody else has everything. You're thinking, you're irritated, you're having arguments with people, you're just in a very negative state of mind. You have to take care of your mental health in the second week, not third week. Third week, Gemini, I think you need to take care of your workspace. If you're in a job, there might be a situation where people will be removed from the job because the company is not able to pay. Okay, there will be a situation where if you are doing a business, there will be a loss. Please take care of money. Here I feel you really need to hold your money very tightly, become a little selfish and closed. Here, lot of hard work, sacrifice will only save you from this situation. Still, there will be someone who will secretly go behind your back and try to damage your money, your work. Somebody I feel will purposely in the third week try to backstab you. And you're going to face betrayal, cheating, or something like that. And all these secrets will also come out in front. And not that you will not come to know. You will come to know, this will all come out in the third week. And you're going to be very shocked. Oh shit, what happened? Oh no. What happened? Okay. So yes, third week you really need to take care, Gemini. Okay. Now fourth week. Now see, I'll tell you something. January, February, March, April are going to be very months of lot of endings this year. Lot of breakups, lot of relationship ending, lot of businesses ending, lot of changes are going to happen. So these changes are going to really affect a lot of people. So you have to be prepared because 9 number is a number of completion. Something is going to end completely in your life forever. Right? So fourth week is a time of new beginning. Probably you will have more options of work, okay, in front of you. Definitely something new coming up in your workspace, in your money space, some new opportunity, something new is coming and better is coming from where you were. So even if things are ending by the third week, by fourth week you're getting chance for something new, something better. Okay? If you're in a job, business, whatever you do, there is a possibility of an opportunity coming in the third week. So don't worry as to, oh God, सब खत्म हो गया, अब मैं क्या करूं, सब खत्म हो गया. नहीं, सब कुछ खत्म नहीं हुआ. चीजें खत्म नहीं हुई. चीजें अब तो खत्म होके नहीं शुरू होगी, because this is a time where you need to realize where you went wrong. Like I always say, bad situations come in our life so that universe wants to shake us. Wake up. You cannot walk so irresponsibly in your life. You cannot. And Gemini, this is your time, because you will know that how you were cheated, because you trusted too much, because you depended on those people too much. So lot of secrets are going to come out, that what a cheater this person is. So yes, please take care in this month of Feb. A lot of planetary changes also are coming. So a lot is going to be revealed. Okay. So let's see what we have in your relationship area. But before that, press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with your family. Subscribe now, press the bell icon now. Now. Okay. Right. Let's see what we have. Like always, I'll do single people and married people separately. General energy of this month for you is that you have to learn to spread your wings and not depend on people, and just depend on your own capability and your ability. This month you are alone, and you are only going to change things for yourself and safeguard yourself. Now for single people, this month is of moving on from old relationships. Yes, you will find a new relationship, exactly the one you wanted, because you are being rewarded by the universe. But when the universe is standing with the trophy, you are sitting in your fears. What will happen? What will happen? The universe is waiting, take the trophy. But you are saying, I don't know, I'm scared. How will I move on? How will I go further? How will I do this? How will I do that? Gemini, you have to stop thinking and trust the process. Just take a leap of faith. Just take a step and nothing will go wrong in your life. Okay? Now, people who are already in the committed relationship, what to do? They are not trusting that their relationship is going to get better. They are refusing to see. But what I feel, your partner or whoever you are with wants to heal this relationship and create a balance. Here, both of you can create certain kind of balance in your life. The opportunity is there in front of you. There are a lot of doors opening of healing. The universe is providing you with lovely, beautiful things in your life. Okay. Here I feel that Gemini, you are getting too disappointed by what happened in the past. पुरानी बातें लेके बैठ गए हो. Let it go. The opportunity is there. Use this relationship to heal yourself. Trust and trust. Even though you're going through a bad time in your relationship, you're fighting, you're arguing, things are happening, don't be scared. This relationship is going to heal and go forward. Your partner does want that kind of trust and bond with you. Okay, you're still waiting to see whether I should go ahead in this relationship or not, because your relationship is going through a challenging time, and you're thinking, let me leave and move on. Every time you can't leave and move on. Remember this. Here you have to detach from your past. You're still holding on to the experiences of your past life, past relationship, past experiences, and that is what you are projecting in this relationship. And your partner is also projecting. This relationship can bloom. Can you see this card? It can bloom. It can do very, very well. You just need to trust. Just trust. Just accept all that is happening and just see your mistakes. Okay? Probably you're repeating a pattern. So cutting a pattern is very important. I have a very old video on that. But cutting patterns need a lot of healing. So you have to realize what you need to heal. Right, Gemini? So let's see what message I have for you from the universe. Listen. Your inner child is something to say, has something to say. Your inner child has something to say. You're projecting, I just said. There's a lot of inner child issue here. So you need to heal. You need to acknowledge it. Realize why you go into the same patterns in your relationship and your work. Alright. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, X, and Facebook. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Hari Om Tat Sat.